Tired of Excel stock headaches? In today's fast-paced warehouse, relying on Excel for stock management can feel like a never-ending battle. Manual entries lead to errors, endless scrolling through sheets wastes time, and tracking receipts, issues, and bins. It's a nightmare. But what if there was a simple, powerful solution that streamlines it all, without the spreadsheets? Meet Simple WMS, your intuitive warehouse management system designed for efficiency. Built for teams like yours, it replaces Excel's clutter with a user-friendly interface, and with seamless English to Thai language support, it's perfect for diverse operations. Say goodbye to complexity and hello to control. Let's dive in. In the Goods Receipt tab, enter deliveries in seconds. Document number, part details, quantity, bin location, even expiry dates. Hit Save and it's logged automatically with timestamps. Search by part and bin. Issue quantities with FIFO logic to ensure accuracy. No more over-issuing stock. Enter part number, bin location, and quantity. Click Issue to complete the goods issue. The Stock and Bin tab is your command center. Query by part for instant views. See overall inventory sorted by bin, or track all movements history. Tables are sortable, centered for easy reading, and fully searchable. Need to share data? Export any table directly to Excel with one click. Compatibility assured. Why switch from Excel? Simple WMS saves you hours daily. No more formula tweaks or copy-paste mishaps. Reduce errors by 90% with automated validations and real-time updates. Manage bins and expiries effortlessly.